Your hands disappear beneath polished royal gloves, yet everyone in the throne room stares at them instead of your crown. Before this day ends, the greatest generals in the East will question whether a dying king can protect an entire kingdom. Every heartbeat reminds you that your greatest enemy already lives inside your own body, yet thousands depend on your decisions. If you carried both a crown and a secret like this, would you still stand before everyone without fear? Because the whispers never stop. You remember the childhood game that changed everything. A simple test with another boy revealed you could not feel pain. Therefore, your future would never belong to an ordinary prince. The royal physician studies your hand in silence, but his expression says everything before he speaks. Therefore, the palace slowly realizes the heir to Jerusalem carries a disease no crown can command. Many expect your illness to end your reign before it truly begins, but they underestimate something stronger than a healthy body. You step into the throne room as king. Therefore, every doubtful gaze becomes your first battle. The doubts vanish for a moment when the kingdom kneels before you despite your illness. But beyond the castle walls, a brilliant commander named Saladin is already uniting powerful armies, and your greatest challenge has only begun. Because reports arrive from every frontier, sleep becomes a luxury you can no longer afford. Every decision could save thousands, but one mistake could open the gates of Jerusalem forever. Therefore, you ride with your army instead of hiding behind castle walls, even as your body grows weaker every day. Could you keep moving if every mile demanded more strength than you still possessed? The enemy finally appears across the burning horizon, but their numbers seem endless. Therefore, every soldier turns toward you, waiting to discover whether courage can outweigh overwhelming odds. You tighten your grip on the reins as silence falls before the first charge, because history is about to remember this moment forever. The battle begins, but its outcome will change far more than a single day. Because you charge before hesitation can spread, your knights follow without looking back. Therefore, the impossible begins to feel real as disciplined courage crashes into a much larger army. The enemy line bends under the sudden impact, but victory remains dangerously uncertain. Every heartbeat reminds you that determination can carry a body only so far before weakness returns. Because your soldiers witness you refusing to retreat, their fear transforms into relentless momentum. Therefore, the battle begins to shift in a way few believed possible only moments earlier. The impossible becomes reality as the enemy withdraws from the field, but your exhausted body pays the hidden price. Every cheer around you feels quieter than the struggle inside your own hands. News of your victory spreads across kingdoms. Therefore, your name earns respect far beyond Jerusalem's walls. Yet fame cannot silence the illness that advances one silent day at a time. What would you cling to if every triumph came with a hidden cost? Because your strength slowly fades, trusted advisors begin carrying out more of your daily duties. Therefore, leadership becomes less about swinging a sword and more about making impossible decisions. Your vision grows weaker, but your judgment becomes sharper than ever. Therefore, every alliance, every negotiation, and every choice carries the weight of an entire kingdom's future. Peace seems within reach, but ambition inside the kingdom threatens everything you have protected. Therefore, the greatest danger no longer waits beyond the walls. It grows quietly among your own nobles. Because your body continues to fail, every appearance before the people requires extraordinary effort. Yet every smile you offer gives them hope that their king still stands with them. You finally understand that history will remember more than your illness or your victories. It will remember that even as your strength disappeared, your courage never did, and the legacy you leave behind is only beginning to reveal its true meaning. Because every step now demands visible effort, trusted servants quietly help you prepare for each royal appearance. Therefore, you begin hiding more of your illness behind dignity, knowing that confidence itself has become a weapon. The kingdom sees a composed ruler, but only a handful know how much strength each public moment truly costs. Could you keep carrying everyone's hope while your own body slowly surrendered beneath the crown? Because uncertainty spreads among neighboring powers, every decision you make is watched with unusual attention. Therefore, even a single letter leaving Jerusalem can shape the balance of the entire region. Some allies remain loyal, but others quietly calculate what might happen after your reign. Therefore, every alliance begins to feel as fragile as glass balanced on the edge of a sword. Because the future of Jerusalem cannot wait, you begin preparing those who may one day rule after you. Your greatest battle is no longer against an army, but against time itself. Your illness advances beyond anything even the physicians once feared, but your determination refuses to fade with it. Therefore, the people admire not only their king, but the extraordinary resilience they witness every day. Because your health can no longer be ignored, trusted nobles assume greater military responsibilities, but every commander still looks toward you before making the final decision. The kingdom continues standing because your example holds it together, but you understand that examples cannot live forever. Therefore, you focus on leaving behind courage instead of certainty. Your final days arrive with remarkable quietness, yet the weight of everything you accomplished fills every room of the palace. The crown feels no lighter, but your heart finally does. You leave this world remembered not as the king who suffered from illness, but as the ruler who refused to let illness define his destiny. If this journey stayed with you, I would be honored to have you join us for the next adventure, because history still holds countless lives waiting to be experienced through your own eyes. Because your story does not end with your final breath, the kingdom immediately feels the silence you leave behind. Therefore, every decision made after your passing is measured against the example you set. Without your steady leadership, old rivalries rise faster than anyone expected. But the unity you fought so hard to preserve begins to fracture under the weight of ambition. Because those divisions spread beyond the palace, Jerusalem itself becomes more vulnerable with each passing season. Therefore, enemies patiently wait for the moment when uncertainty becomes impossible to hide. Saladin watches carefully instead of rushing forward, because patience can defeat even the strongest fortress. Therefore, every quiet month carries more danger than an open battlefield. The fragile peace finally gives way to another great campaign, but this time your guiding presence is gone. What would you feel watching everything you protected face its greatest test without you? Because leadership has changed, confidence disappears where certainty once stood. Therefore, small mistakes begin growing into consequences that no one can easily stop. The kingdom struggles to respond with one voice, but hesitation spreads faster than orders can travel. Therefore, the balance that once protected Jerusalem begins slipping away. Because opportunity finally appears, Saladin advances with overwhelming determination. Therefore, the fate of Jerusalem moves toward a moment that history will never forget. The city you once defended now faces its greatest challenge, but your memory continues inspiring those still willing to stand. Courage survives longer than any single lifetime. Looking back, you realize your greatest victory was never simply winning battles. It was proving that true strength comes from purpose, not perfection. And if this journey inspired you, I hope you'll return to experience another remarkable life through history. Because legends grow with every generation, your story begins traveling farther than the borders you once defended. Therefore, people who never saw your face still speak of the king who refused to surrender to fate. Artists, monks, and chroniclers preserve your memory, but each tells the story a little differently. Therefore, the man slowly becomes a symbol greater than any single historical account. Because centuries continue passing, kingdoms rise and disappear around the city you once ruled. Therefore, your courage becomes one of the few things that time cannot erase. Historians continue debating many details of your reign, but they rarely question your determination. Every challenge you faced made the next decision harder. Therefore, every victory carried even greater meaning. Imagine standing where you once stood, knowing tomorrow was never guaranteed, yet choosing responsibility again and again. Could you carry hope for an entire kingdom while quietly carrying your own suffering? Because true leadership is revealed during hardship. Your illness never became the center of your story. Therefore, your choices, your resilience, and your example continue shining brighter than the disease itself. Modern generations rediscover your life with fresh eyes, but they find the same timeless lesson waiting for them. Strength often begins where comfort ends. Because your legacy reaches beyond history books, people continue searching for meaning in your journey. Therefore, your life becomes less about the past and more about the choices every person faces today. Looking back from this extraordinary journey, you finally understand the promise made at the very beginning. The hands hidden beneath royal gloves never defined the king. They revealed the courage that the world would remember. Your story ends, but its courage can continue with everyone willing to carry it forward. Thank you for walking this path through history with me. And if you'd like to experience another remarkable life together, I'd be honored to see you on the next journey. As the sun climbs higher, the echoes of your reign linger in every stone of Jerusalem. Therefore, your legacy becomes part of the city itself, enduring long after every battle has ended. Travelers continue arriving from distant lands, each hoping to understand the king whose resolve outlasted his strength. Because stories inspire journeys, your memory keeps bringing new generations to these ancient streets. Every monument eventually weathers, but character leaves marks that no passing century can erase. Therefore, your greatest monument was never built from stone. It lived in the hearts of those you protected. The promise made in the opening has finally been fulfilled. You discovered that the strongest king was not the healthiest man, but the one who chose duty over despair every single day. The journey now reaches its quiet conclusion, leaving behind a reminder that courage can outlive any lifetime. Thank you for sharing this experience, and whenever you're ready, another unforgettable story is waiting just beyond the horizon. The horizon slowly swallows your silhouette, but the feeling of your journey refuses to fade. Therefore, the story remains alive, carried forward by everyone who remembers what true courage looks like. Because history belongs to those who choose rather than those who wait. Your life becomes an invitation instead of merely a memory. Every difficult choice you made still echoes across the centuries. The crown, the battles, and the illness all become part of one greater truth. Therefore, your greatest victory was proving that purpose can outlast suffering. Looking back, every hardship led you to this single realization. Strength is measured less by what your body can endure than by what your spirit refuses to abandon. The promise made when you first hid your trembling hands has finally been fulfilled. Thank you for experiencing the life of King Baldwin IV through your own eyes. And if you'd like to walk through another remarkable chapter of history together, I'd be honored to welcome you on the next journey.